back children, welcome to e-learning mathematics classes. Today in this video we will learn about quadrilaterals. Now what are quadrilaterals? A closed figure formed by 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. Okay, so a figure which is made by 4 line segments is known as quadrilateral. Now this is a quadrilateral. Okay, PQRS is a quadrilateral. Okay, so what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral which has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles, right? It also has 4 angles. What are the name of the vertices in this quadrilateral? How we can name the vertices? So the name of the vertices are P, Q, R and S. So I have written here vertices P, Q, R, S. The sides of the given quadrilateral, what are the sides? PQ is one side, then QR, then RS and then PS. So I have written the sides as well. Now what are the 4 angles named in this quadrilateral? Angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S. So if it is asked to write the name of the angles, we can write it in this way, isn't it? Now rectangle. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral. Why? Because it is also formed by 4 line segments, right? It is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides like AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. And all the angles are right angle. That means the measure of all angles is 90 degree. It's called a rectangle. Okay? So this is a rectangle. ABC here is a rectangle. And AB is equals to CD, AD equals to BC. Is it clear? Now comes the square. Square is also a quadrilateral. It is a rectangle or it is a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal. It is called a square. Now here you can see ABCD is a square where AB is equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. That means all the sides, measurement of all the sides are equal in a square. And each angle is equals to 90 degree. Each angle is equals to 90 degree. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you all. Now let us move on to the next part, that is circle. Circle is a closed figure bounded by a curved line. We all know it is not made up of straight line but a curved line, isn't it? Now the fixed point inside the circle, in the middle of the circle, is known as center. What it is known as? Center. Okay? And the fixed distance between the center and any point on a circle. If we measure the distance from the center to any point on the circle, from here to here or from here to here, then it is called radius. Okay? So here MO is the radius or NO is also a radius of this circle. And a line segment passing through the center. If we draw a line segment which is passing through the center and its end points, इसके जो दोनों end points हैं, they lie on the circle, then it is called a diameter. What it is called? Diameter. A diameter can also be in this way. Okay children, it can also be in this way, it can also be in this way. These are known as diameter. Now, diameter is 2 times of the radius. That means if we add 2 radius or if we multiply radius by 2, then we will get the measurement of diameter. Okay? And to find the radius, if we divide the diameter by 2, then we will get the radius. अगर हम diameter को 2 से divide करें तो हमें radius मिलेगा और radius को अगर हम 2 से multiply करें तो हमें diameter मिलेगा. So this is what you need to learn. Okay children? Now if we draw one more line like this, whose end points are lying on the circle but it is not passing through the center. अगर ये center से pass नहीं करता but एक line है, इस तरीके से सर्कल पे ड्रॉ किया गया है, इसे हम कहते हैं chord. What is this called? It is called chord. Okay? So diameter is also a chord. It is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Now children, what we can use to draw a circle? Do you know what it is called? Yes, it is called a compass. And this is a ruler. So using the ruler, pencil and the compass, we can draw a circle, okay? Which we will learn in the higher classes. How to draw a circle. Is it clear? I hope you have understood what is chord, what is diameter, what is center. and about all the quadrilaterals. Okay, thank you.